Hi guys, here is the question. Rain in Chefland. This question is from Codechef and difficulty rating is 328. And the problem is in Chefland, precipitation is measured using rain gauge in millimeter per hour. Chef categorizes rainfall as light if less than 3 millimeter, moderate if greater than equal to 3 millimeter per hour, and less than 7. Okay, heavy if rainfall is greater than equal to 7 millimeter per hour, and given that it rains at x millimeter per hour on a day, find whether the rain is light, moderate or heavy. Input format. Okay, the first line of input will contain a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. Each test case consists of single integer x. The rate of rainfall in millimeter per hour output. Okay, so we have to use if else in this question, and we have to take test cases. Okay, number of test cases. Okay, so we can make an object of a scanner class. Scanner system dot n and int test cases equal sc dot next end. Yeah, we have to use for loop for taking input test cases number of times. Okay, and I equals 0, I less than test cases, I plus plus. Okay, so first input is no, we have to take only one input and we have to find that is it light, moderate or heavy. So end num equal sc dot next end. By using sc dot next end, we are taking input and we are storing in num variable, and we have to check by using if else that is it light, moderate or heavy. So if rainfall is less than 3 millimeter per hour, rainfall num less than 3 millimeter per hour, so we have to print light. System dot out dot println light. Now we have to use else for the second condition. If for moderate, if rainfall is greater than or equal to 3, num is greater than or equal to 3, then AND operator and less than 7 millimeter per hour. Num less than 7 millimeter per hour. System dot out dot println, so we can print moderate. Now last condition is we can directly use else block for heavy. If rainfall means num is greater than or equal to 7, oh no, we have to write this in else if. Num is greater than or equal to 7, so we have to print heavy. System dot out dot println cases are heavy. Yeah. Compile and run. Compiling submission queue. It is compiling. Yeah, so we have to match it from the sample input and output. Okay. 4 is the test cases, number of test cases. 1 light, 20 heavy, 3 moderate, 7 heavy. Okay, our output is same as this output, so submit code. Submission queued. Submitting the question. So correct answer are both test cases are correct. Yeah.